This week for Meet the Team, we met Tyler in preload and Kalo in lumber and Chase as a utility player, knocking it out in small parts, and Garrett in large parts.
Okay, so here's the after. So we moved it closer, and then he cut the barrel so that he could pull it underneath the conveyor out of the handle. So now it's easier to dump. It won't get as overfilled to be too heavy. Made a shelf for his speaker, because as you can hear, we like music in the truss plant. But then he tells me he filled this up with insulation so that it's much quieter when he runs it. So I don't know how many improvements that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at least. Awesome. And it cost us $0. All right, quick improvement from Chase and I with this tape gun. Maybe we set it here. Maybe we put it up here. Maybe we set it down here. So we're always kind of looking for it, trying to find it. We took a magnet from the lean cave, and boom, it just sits right there. So this is where he does his taping. Grab it, tape it, without even looking, throw it back on there. Easy 2-second fix using the tools in the lean cave. Okay, here's our moment of employee genius this morning from Braden. We've been trying to find a beam to span this so that we could gain 2 more pallet spaces on this bay, but we didn't think we had one. Braden's like, bro, what about this one right here that all I'm using it for is put these tags on? Perfect. Use what we already have. Employee genius right there. Easy fix what bugs you. Is this golf cart on or in forward? It's hard to tell because the key's identical either way. Simple paint pin on there. Now you know whether it's off, reverse, neutral, or forward. Guys, what a great improvement from Zach. Freaking busted his butt today to get all of these blocks painted yellow. When I saw this, I was like, man, we should have done this forever ago. It looks so good. Painted the bollards in front of our buildings. Look at that. I even mentioned that the ones over by the office needed it. He got that done too. Painted the blocks over by the main building. Amazing. Braden using the principles of 3F to get his fixed tools in a fixed quantity. Looks good. Added earplugs for our visitors to match our safety standards internally. We don't like these cardboard boxes that flip open, look bad. Let's use this tote, looking fresh and clean. Look at this from the mechanic shop. Moved their lights, organized them, sorted out what they didn't need, looking perfect. And then Corey and Riley with our first 2-bin system and all of our cleaning supplies, looking perfect, easy to see what we... Great job this week, team. Tons of great improvements. Got to meet the team. Really good progress. I appreciate your hard work.